I'm Daryl Viola, your guide to this exciting journey of financial planning, and I'm willing to help. This tutorial video will guide you through the process of creating a sinking fund schedule, a financial plan to repay debt or accumulate funds. Also cover steps like defining the goal, setting a timeline, calculating regular contributions, and tracking progress systematically. It involves financial calculations and organizational strategies to help you achieve your financial obligations. But before anything else, let us compare amortization to sinking fund. Amortization focuses on structured repayments to eliminate debt by reducing principal and interest within a fixed time frame. Commonly seen in loans. In contrast, a sinking fund is a proactive strategy involving regular savings for future financial needs like debt repayment or planned expenditures. Both are financial planning. Amortization for debt elimination and sinking fund for future financial preparedness. Okay, so the main objectives of this tutorial are you will know what is a sinking fund, how to make a sinking fund schedule, and learn the key concepts behind this video. So the question is, Rashid Furnishing issued bonds worth 500,000 to expand its factory. It established a sinking fund to retire this debt in 3 years and made deposits into it at the end of every 6 months. If the fund was earning 7% compounded semi-annually, calculate the size of the periodic payment deposited into the fund. So the given are, let's define first the given. So the given are S is equals to 500,000, which is the future value. The R is equals to 7% or 0.07. T for the time, which is equals to 3 years. And the M, which is the conversion period, is equals to 2 because it is compounded semi-annually. So I is equals to R over M. So our R here is 0.07. The M, which is the conversion period, is equals to 2. So divide 0.07 over 2 is equals to 0.035. So this is our interest. So the N is equals to T times the M is equals to 3 times 2, which is 6. So our N here is 6. So the formula R is equal R for the PMT or the periodic payment. S for the FV, the future value. I is for the interest is equals to over to quantity 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. So calculate the given. So R is equals to 500,000, which is our S here, and I or the interest is 0.035 all over quantity 1 plus 0.035 raised to 6 because our N here is 6 minus 1. So do the math. R is equals to 500,000 times 0.035 is 17,500 all over quantity 1 plus 0.035 raised to 6 minus 1 is 0.22925532634452. So our R or our regular payment or our periodic payment is 76,334.10. So after we calculate our R or the PMT or the regular payment, which is 76,334.10, let's check it using our Excel. So first is we write the NPER. The NPER is equals 3, which is the time, times the 2 or the input. So 6. Our rate here is equals 0.07 all over 2. Enter. So we come up with the same answer, 0.035. Our PV here is 0 since this is a sinking fund. So FB, which is 500,000, and the PMT. So let's calculate the PMT. So equals PMT. We follow this step. First is the rate. Second is the NPER. Next is the PV. And we put negative sign on FV. And then 0. And then enter. So we come up with the same answer, 76,334.10. Okay. So after that, we will now proceed to our sinking fund schedule. So let's write 6 periods because our n per here is 6. So our beginning amount is 0 since it is sinking fund. Our PMT here is equals to 76,334.10. The interest is also 0. The increase in fund is also our PMT, also with the sinking fund. Okay. Okay. So our beginning amount in period 2 is also equals to our PMT. So this is our beginning amount. Next is the PMT, the interest. When we calculate the interest, we put first the beginning amount times our rate here, which is 0.035, and then interest. So our interest is 2,671.69. So increase in fund, let's add PMT plus interest. Okay. So we come up with 79,000 5.80. So our sinking fund is equals to the beginning amount plus the increase in fund. So our answer is 155,339.80. So our beginning amount is 155,000. Our PMT is also the same. So here we put dollar sign in order for us to accumulate same PMT than interest. So also with the interest. So interest equals to beginning amount times our rate. So our rate, let's put dollar sign. So in the first and then in the middle and then interest. So increase in fund also equals to the PMT plus the interest. So our sinking fund also the beginning amount plus the increase in fund. So let's now drag in. So drag down. So let's highlight first and then drag down. So we accumulate 500,000. Same our FB here, which is 500,000 or our future bond. In conclusion, mastering the art of creating a sinking fund schedule empowers you to navigate future financial obligations with confidence. So remember to consistently contribute factor in interest rate and regular review and adjust your plan. So with this principles, you'll build a robust financial strategy that stands the test of time. So I look forward to seeing your financial success unfold. So stay tuned and more insight tutorials. Happy planning!